Xiaomi has launched the Smart Camera C300 Dual Camera Edition, available for crowdfunding at yuan $37 on Xiaomi Mall starting June 12. The camera boasts a unique dual-lens design that covers and monitors to different scenes simultaneously, significantly enhancing home security. Each 3MP lens offers a resolution of 2300 by 1296 pixels. The camera features a 6mm handheld telephoto lens and a 2.8mm short-focus fixed lens, ensuring a 360-degree horizontal viewing angle and an 88-degree vertical viewing angle. It is equipped with 12 940nm infrared fill lights, enabling clear video recording in various lighting conditions. The camera supports advanced AI functions, including dual-image AI detection, human detection, virtual fences, and AI face recognition. It integrates seamlessly with Xiaomi Panpai Intelligent Link, providing an intelligent linkage experience. The original price is set at yuan $41. The 2K security camera offers ultra-clear HD resolution, two-way voice calls, H.265 video encoding, and a 6P lens for high-quality display. It supports Wi-Fi E800 2.11b, G, and 2.4 GHz, compatible with Android 4.4 or iOS 9.0 and above, and supports microSD cards up to 256 GB. The package includes the Smart Camera C300, charging cable, wall mounting kit, and user manual.